Wrong house. Fatal. Miscalculation. Think sneaking through the backyard is a silent job? Watch what happens when a 100-pound shadow wakes up. These intruders learn fast. These dogs never sleeps. This is why delivery drivers deserve a raise. 1 minute you're dropping a package, and next you're running for your life. Pure loyalty on display. The dog didn't hesitate for a second to protect his family from the armed intruder.
Yeah, I got a package.
He must have some serious phobia against dogs.
Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog!
Oh, sorry, mate. Just scared the shit out of me. I ended up in your wheelbarrow. Yeah, mate.
Leave the dog! Stand still! Stand still! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl!
From a heartless predator to a weeping mess in a fraction of a second, the K9 hero delivered pure justice.
Sorry, I'm sorry!
Yes, sir.
I know he got those parkour skills in him.
Hey, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hey. Hurry.
He was just trying to do his job when a furry jack-in-the-box decided to test his reflex skills.
Oh no, don't fall off. Don't fall off.
Yeah, I would be confused too.